Now, your Stormwatch 9 forecast.
You've been stuck in the freezer for a long while here ever since the weekend, and this is going to continue on, even temperatures going down by the end of the week. Highs running in the 20s for the next couple of days, which is below the average. We should be right around 31 degrees for this time in January and only 14 for the high on Friday. This camera in Dublin has been picking up on a couple of flurries. Maybe you can spot a couple of snowflakes out there. And in Manchester, it is quiet, cloudy, 18 degrees, but even a little bit of a wind out of the southwest, 6 miles per hour, means it feels like 10 degrees and some huge snow piles out there. Temperatures are going to get cold tonight, especially where the winds shut off and the skies clear, which will likely be in central and southern New Hampshire. Down at 12 already in Tilton, 14 or 11 actually in New London. We've got 17 in Hooksett, 14 degrees in Raymond. Out at the seacoast, temperatures are in the teens. Look at Berlin now, sub-zero. That's the actual air temperature right now. So obviously it's going to be real cold up there too. 5 degrees in Whitefield. We've got 10 right now in Plymouth. The winds are moving around in southern New Hampshire, so eventually these will come down. Much like what we see in the northern part of the state, the winds have gone calm, and so that's why the temperatures are just free falling there at the moment. Some clouds moving through. Occasionally the radar picks up on like a little white dot that you see there. Probably some of these very light flurries. Nothing at all accumulates this evening, but there are a few scattered snow showers moving about. Eventually, we'll see clearing central and south later this evening. A few snow showers remain up north. Tomorrow, though, sunshine to start the day. Central and south clouds linger in the northern part of the state through much of the day, and even southern areas likely see an increase in clouds later on in the day, but good travel conditions here. It's the cold that's just settling right on in. A little slice of Arctic air will be over us over the next couple of days, and the jet stream well to the south of us. However, as we look toward the weekend, this plays a major role in a potential storm system that may move closer to us, might actually ride up along the jet stream. Big question with this one: how close or how far inland will this storm come to us? It is going to be a classic coastal storm system, a nor'easter. This computer model have it almost completely missing New England here. However, we can't rule out that there could be some computer models and guidance pushing this a bit more inland. So a closer track would mean major impacts, because this wouldn't just be snow. It could also be strong winds, and even coastal flooding is on the table with this one too. Another one of our computer models, this is also an option of what could happen. We just get brushed by in southeastern New Hampshire. That would be Sunday afternoon and Sunday evening. So we'll have to watch this very closely over the next couple of days to see if that storm system tracks a little closer to us. Tonight, though, it's very cold and turning mostly clear. A lot of places sub-zero by tomorrow morning. The cold continues on, 20s and even teens for highs, below zero nights ahead of us, and of course watching that potential storm on Sunday. Keep in mind, at this time last week, our computer models had the storm we just had offshore. So we'll see if history repeats itself and the models shift it to be more inland, and we're looking at another snowstorm.